Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm gonna talk about open source and contributing to open source as hackers and why should you do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, what even is open source? So open source, as you probably know, is software that has its source code available for everyone to see and modify. So for example, you can create your own tool, like let's take for example GoBuster, and you come up with something similar to GoBuster. So this is GoBuster. If you don't know, it's a fuzzing tool that you can use to fuzz websites. So for example, you come up with a tool and then you can just create that tool and then push it to GitHub, and other people will be able to see the source code of your tool and of course download it to their computers. And then if they see that it could be improved somehow, they will contribute to open source by just pushing changes that they made on their own machines. So why would you care about contributing to open source as hackers? So first of all, you will definitely boost your CV if you're looking for a job, and it will definitely help you get a job in a long run, because it will show that you are contributing to community and creating tools and just improving yourself in general. Then of course you're gonna be improving other tools, you're gonna be making changes that everyone will be able to see. And of course, if you need some kind of a feature, you can easily just implement it and just push it to GitHub, and everyone will be able to use your feature. Just like sharing is caring, of course. So I'm gonna now talk about ways to contribute to open source. So let's say you are using, let's take for example GoBuster again, and you see that it is missing some feature. Let's say you think, oh, it could maybe be improved in this way, or could scan more websites or something like that. I don't know. Or maybe let's say you could stop the scan and then modify it later. I don't know if GoBuster actually implements this feature, like stopping the scan mid-run, but it could be a great idea, for example, for a tool or whatever you come up with, and then you just push it to GitHub. And it's really not difficult to contribute to open source. You just have to try to come up with an idea, or not even an idea. You can of course just create your own project, and I'm gonna show you just that, what am I doing myself. So if you for example come up with an idea, it's really not difficult to just implement it on your own computer and then push it to GitHub. And if you're not creative, if you cannot think of something to improve some kind of a tool, then you can of course create your own tool. And you might say that, oh, I cannot create, if I can't think to upgrade an existing tool, how will I come up with a new tool? So a really simple example that I am making myself, there's this tool from Burpsuit, which is called HTTP Request Smuggler. And if you know this tool, I'm not sure why can't we find it. Oh, it's because we are looking in GoBuster. So yeah, here's this tool, and it's open source on GitHub, and I can see its source code. So the thing with this tool is that it's written in Java, and I think that it could be improved, and it could be written, for example, in Go, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm writing this same tool in Golang, and I'm just gonna rewrite every single feature of it in Go, so you can just run this tool on your command line. And of course I'm gonna push it to my GitHub. It's not done yet, so I haven't pushed it to my GitHub yet, but when it will be done, I'm gonna just push it and you will be able to use it. And if you, for example, think of a way to improve it, then you can of course contribute to it. You can push your own changes, and I will accept if you come up with something to improve my tool. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you don't have to come up with original ideas. You can just improve existing ones, and for example rewrite a tool in a command line, let's say from a plugin from like Burp Suite or something like that, and then everyone else is going to be able to use it from the command line without opening Burp Suite or something similar. Of course, if you just do something like, if you hack some kind of a website and you think like, oh man, it would be great to have this feature in this website, and it would be great to actually it would be great to be able to scan this, then you can just create your own tool, push it to GitHub, and boom, you are contributing to open source, and you are improving the community. So that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to talk about some reasons why would you want to contribute to open source, and how can you do it, like give you some kind of ideas. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.